All right, friends, we are here again. This is like the 5th session on Mo Mummy. It's May, beautiful Fontaine Bleau. Mo Mummy, $100 in again. He's been very mean to us today. $5 bets. Those are the progressives up there. We'd like to hit something big. That goes without saying, obviously. Yeah, that's a good place to start. What are you looking at, Mr. Mummy? Give us something. Absolute nothing on that one. Did we even get one line hit? I don't know. Okay, $3, 2 cents. Come on, nothing. Wild. We were on this machine before lunch, and now it is after lunch, and we'd like some vindication. Looks like someone just hit cash collect, but who cares? We've done all the things. Wait for empty ones, wait for full ones. It'll pop whenever it feels like popping. And we will be here for our redemption. Right, Mr. Mummy? Do. I'll pan up when we need to. Mind you, you've seen all of our videos. We've missed on the Mummy cash collect on the first reel like 7 or 8 times today. And then like, it feels like the last 50. It's been crazy. It's been a big sample size. We're trying to show you the realities of playing slots. The highs, the lows, the trips to the ATM, the trips to the cashier. We hope those are more frequent. Yes? One of you. One of yous. None of yous. Okay? Cleo's been kind of nice to us, but she's giving us line hits. But Mummy has not been as nice. One, none. Let's go to 2 cents. I mentioned it's very beautiful over here, but the more beautiful the casino is, the tighter it is. Who really knows? I don't know why it's not letting us change it. Okay, there we go. Nope. I'd like to get another jackpot feature, just because we have a chance at one of the big ones in there. Come on. Nope. We love when he just runs across the screen. No such thing. But that'd be good. Why is it getting bigger? I said I like it when he runs across the screen, not when he trots up there. That's what we don't like. We're running away with everyone's money. Oh, Mummy. No money. Some money. Please, at least some money. That is 0 for 10. And these are different machines each time, like same machine, different machine. It's really crazy. I don't know if this casino is just against winning on this Saturday afternoon. Saturday morning to afternoon, we've been here all day. It's so silly how the coins just keep coming after the gems. Some kitties. Grow, pop, grow and pop, grow and pop. Pop, pop, pop. Bam. I was thinking of what we should end with. Mo Mummy. More like no money. One 225 bet. It's only fair. Not even a shot. Okay. That is Mo Mummy, people. We'll go find something else. Maybe Huff and Puff. Maybe something. 3 Real game or something. But that was sad. But we're having fun. Yay. And we'll bring you another video, some more action here in Vegas in the next one. See you soon.